Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Most of the times we need to use formulas in Excel for easy calculations, but applying formula in Excel is somewhat difficult. In this tutorial, we will see how to insert formula in Microsoft 365 Excel and how to apply it to all rows or columns. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, open the Microsoft 365 Excel. Click and open the document in which you want to insert the formula. Here I have income and expenditure data of 4 months. I need to know how much money does I am saving every month, that means surplus. But calculating surplus for every month is taking much time and complex. So here I want to use a formula for easy calculation. Now place the cursor in the column where you need to see result. Click equal to symbol from your keyboard. Now select the first data cell. Now you can see A2 in the formula section. Press minus symbol from keyboard. Now select second data cell, then you can see B2 in the formula section. With this, you can see the formula which you want. Then just click enter for the result. We have applied formula for 1 month only. Now we need to know how to apply that formula to all rows or columns. To apply formula to all rows or columns, place the cursor at the first result. Once you see plus symbol, drag the mouse until the last data. Then that formula is applied to all rows. That's it. This is the procedure for applying formula to all rows or columns in Microsoft 365 Excel document. I hope you like this tutorial about how to insert formula in Microsoft 365 Excel and how to apply it to all rows or columns. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. Thanks for watching video. Like and subscribe this channel and click on bell icon for regular updates of video tutorials.